What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a Dunkin first impressions for you. So this is actually the second video of the trying Dunkin drinks, which is really exciting. It is the other refresher. So if you guys haven't seen my last Dunkin one, I tried the strawberry dragon fruit refresher, and for this one we're going to be trying the peach passion fruit flavor refresher, which is super exciting. They're very different from the Starbucks flavors, which makes me kind of excited to see if they're actually going to be like better than Starbucks and stuff like that. So I guess if we try them, we will know. So excited to try this for you guys. If you have any other Dunkin drinks you want me to try, definitely tell me down below. I am open to trying anything there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's go to Dunkin. Okay guys, so here we have the peach passion fruit refresher. So I'm kind of nervous. I'm filming both of the refresher taste tests in one day. So I just finished tasting the strawberry refresher, and you should go watch that video if you want to know what I thought on that. So here we have the peach one. I like peach. I'm very nervous though, now that I know what, like, I have an idea of like what Dunkin refreshers taste like. I'm kind of nervous on if I'm actually gonna like this one or not. I really hope I do, but obviously you just never know. So we're just gonna go ahead and try it and hope for the best. So here we go. Oh my god. That is disgusting. That is so bad. Oh my god. I taste the peach, but it's a weird like peach flavor. I don't know how to like, it's not sweet. Okay, so it tastes like peach, but it's just not sweet. And then I taste the passion fruit in there, but these aren't sweet at all. They taste bitter and nasty. I don't understand. It makes me not want to try any other Dunkin refresher ever. It's like a waste of my money. Oh my god. It is so bad. Okay, I'm gonna have to rate this one, literally, I'm not kidding, a 1 out of 10. I don't recommend this. If you want to try it, it's literally $2. Go ahead and try it. But just listen, I did my research on trying these refreshers before I even tried them, because I honestly wanted to make sure that I would like them before I just spent money like that. And I watched people say how good these new refreshers were, and they were delicious. And I'm trying it for myself, and it's disgusting, and it's not sweet. I don't taste anything sugar related in there. So if you're someone who doesn't like sugar and you like all natural, actually this might be perfect for you. But if you're someone who likes sweet, sugar, or like not even, or maybe just like a hint of sweetness in there, this isn't the drink for you. I don't recommend it. I don't like it. It's definitely one of my least favorite drinks that I have ever tried during my first impressions videos, which is a lot of drinks I've tried. So that makes me really sad. It makes me not want to get another Dunkin drink again. So like I said, I don't recommend it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like. Comment down below if you've tried this drink already. If you have, I want to know your thoughts on it, because I'm very curious on how other people think of the drink. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.